Hello everyone, and this is our guide number 6, Guiding Questions. We learned to use Java Generics, build a CRUD with hashtable and swing, and model with UML. Difficulties and solutions. We had trouble linking generics and the Guia, but solved it through research, testing, and teamwork.
So we're going to explain the autonomous work. So the main idea of the article is all about examines how UML class diagrams are built in practice, compare usabilities and efficiency of the board or making code. Okay, so the secondary ideas, we have the usability evolution, the comparative results, the identified uses and the recommendations. For example, improve UML towards usability with a strong focus. Okay, so at the conclusion of the article, we have the quality of UML to depends not only features the practical usage, magic draws, provenance, and the blockers show consolidate user profile when select UML model 2. Okay, so in the autonomous work, we have the other part that is theoretical questions. The number one is what benefits does generate class offer over another type of class? So we have the type safety, the code reproducibility, the reduced redundancy, and we have a better performance to type checking during compilation of the code. The second is lies advantage that a generic class magnetic method and have others generic methods. So is flexibility, consistency, and maintainability of the code. And finally, the guide we have paid to us define the types of generic class performance. So we have the K, that is K and represents the K type of map structures. We have the N, that is number, and represents numeric types such as integer, double, etc. We have T, that is type, is a general performance. And finally, we have V, that is Bellwether and represents the value type of map.
Okay. The code, this is applies principles develop a CRUD system that manages laboratory elements and with a graphical user interface in Java. The laboratory CRUD is a class handler the program logic and allowing user to add. Carry, update, delete, and list element is using a hatched data structure. The mainframe and the class manages the visual interface using this Wim with menu and internal windows for user interaction, additional an internal class, the client. The element is implemented to encapsulate the attributes of its record, ID, name, quantity, and status. The overall the object project is demonstrate the use of class and objects, encapsulation and components interaction, reflection and practical application of both. Okay, as you can see, here are some samples of how our work function. Sample. Finish. Thank you.